And what's up guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to find your favorites on TikTok. So basically you're scrolling and made a video to your favorite on TikTok, and now you want to see your favorite videos but you don't know what how to see it. So basically it's very quick and simple to see. Let's just go to your TikTok app. So and now go to profile, and then just click on this patch button. You can see right after the edit profile, and like after down the like button, just click on it, and now you can see that your favorite videos, your favorite hashtags, favorite sounds, favorite effects, comment, questions, products will shown. Everything you move to your favorite will be shown here. So thank you so much for watching guys. I will see you in the next video.